Throw an egg into the toilet. Plumbers don't want you to know this trick. If your toilet gets clogged, forget chemical solutions. Here's a better method. Start with one large egg and separate the white. The egg white is key because it acts as a natural lubricant, making it easier to clear blockages in your pipes. Add 2 tablespoons of liquid soap to the egg white. The soap improves the slippery effect and aids in cleaning. Mix thoroughly, then pour the mixture into the clogged toilet. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda helps dissolve grease and other debris causing the blockage. Follow this with about a cup of vinegar. You'll notice a foaming reaction. This chemical process breaks down the buildup. Finally, grab some plastic wrap. Seal it tightly around the toilet bowl, ensuring no air gets underneath. Press down on the plastic wrap a few times to create pressure. This pressure helps push the blockage through the pipes. This simple trick can solve your problem without needing to plunge the toilet. You'll be amazed at how effective this solution is. Your toilet will be unclogged, and unpleasant surprises in the bathroom will be a thing of the past. My grandmother used to check eggs like this. She would observe which ones spun and which ones didn't. She had her reasons for doing so. She would take 3 eggs, holding one in each hand and placing the third between them. Any egg that spun, she would set aside in one container, and the ones that didn't spin, she would put in another. I'll reveal what that meant later on. Nowadays, hardly anyone does it this way anymore. I learned a different method from her. I know how to tell which eggs are fresh and which ones are old. If I have several cartons of eggs in the fridge, I can choose which ones to use for breakfast omelets. All I need is a glass of water for this. I put an egg in it and observe what happens. I prepared 3 glasses. I poured water into them. I'll show you how an egg might behave in water. When placed in water, an egg might sink to the bottom of the glass. Alternatively, it might float on the water's surface. In the third case, it might float halfway in the glass. What does this mean? Fresh eggs sink to the bottom. The freshest ones lie horizontally at the bottom. Eggs several days old float a bit higher. Eggs 2 to 3 weeks old float in the middle of the water. The oldest eggs won't sink. They float continuously on the surface. As for the trick with spinning eggs, my grandmother used it when a hen was sitting on the eggs. She would leave the eggs that spun for the hen to hatch. The ones that didn't spin, she would take home. Drop an egg into the toilet. No plumber will tell you this simple trick for unclogging a toilet. You will see how the blockage begins to break down. Before reaching for strong chemical cleaners from the store, try this simple method. Prepare a bowl. Take an egg. An egg naturally has a slightly thick and sticky consistency. Crack one into the bowl. Then separate the egg white from the yolk and use only the egg white for the mixture. The egg white is the key ingredient because it works like a natural lubricant that helps debris move through the drain pipes. Now, prepare some liquid soap. It helps break down grease and dirt that build up inside the pipes. Add 2 tablespoons to the bowl and mix everything well. Pour the prepared mixture into the drain, then add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which helps dissolve grease and deposits. Next, pour in 1 cup of vinegar. You will see a foaming reaction. This is a natural way to deal with a clogged toilet because it helps break apart blockages in the pipes. Cover the toilet bowl with plastic wrap and make sure there is no air underneath. This is a simple way to unclog a toilet without using a plunger. Then press the surface several times to create pressure. With this simple trick, you may see how the clog loosens and the water starts flowing again without calling a plumber. In England, people keep egg cartons in their cars, whether it's a new one or an old one. They take a carton and place it in the corner by the windshield. For a stronger effect, they put in a few more cartons, both in the front and in the back. The porous material helps absorb excess moisture from the air, so the windows fog up less and the inside stays drier. The carton not only soaks up dampness inside the car, but it also absorbs unpleasant odors. 5 winter hacks you need to know. Cut a pool noodle lengthwise and open it up. Lift the windshield wiper, place the noodle over it, then lower the wiper back down. Do the same with the other wiper. This prevents the wipers from freezing to the windshield. In the morning, just remove the noodle and you're good to go. Next, take a zip-top bag and open it. Slip it over the side mirror and secure it with a rubber band. do the same for the other mirror. The bag protects your mirrors from snow and frost. Remove the bags and enjoy mirrors ready for driving. Always keep a piece of cardboard in your trunk. Place it under the front wheels. The cardboard increases traction and helps you move off on snow or ice. 1 tablespoon is all you need, and you can forget about scraping your windshield in the morning. Cold mornings can be really unpleasant, and clearing ice off the glass often takes way too long. Instead of buying an expensive de-icer, you can make your own. Pour 1 cup of alcohol into a tall container. It melts ice fast and boosts the whole mixture. Then add half a cup of white vinegar. Vinegar not only enhances the effect of the alcohol but also lowers the freezing point, helping the ice melt faster and preventing a new layer from forming. Add half a cup of boiled water to get the right consistency. Now add 1 tablespoon of a secret, very important ingredient. It forms a protective layer and slows down refreezing. Add a tablespoon of dish soap to help the mixture spread evenly. A few drops of essential oil will give it a pleasant scent, so it's effective and nice to use. Once mixed, pour everything into a spray bottle, close it and shake well. Spray it over the frosted windshield, and the ice will disappear within moments, leaving the glass perfectly clear. The secret ingredient is glycerin, thanks to which you can finally forget what morning scraping feels like. I don't waste time in the morning defrosting my car windows. At night, I spread a towel over the glass. The towel traps the moisture, so ice doesn't form, and the windows stay clear and ready to drive in the morning. Throw eggshells onto a baking tray. You'll be surprised at what you can do with them. Eggshells are a great source of calcium and other minerals that can be used in many ways. Place them in the oven and heat for 5 minutes. This makes them more brittle and easier to grind. Now, transfer the toasted eggshells to a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, which acts as a natural cleaner. Then, add 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent, which helps break down stubborn stains. Blend everything until the eggshells turn into a fine powder. Your homemade cleaning mix is ready. Now, test it on burnt pots and pans. Sprinkle the powder on the scorched areas, scrub, and rinse. Wipe dry and see the difference. Tough stains and burns disappear without scratching the surface. Your pan looks like new, and cleaning has never been easier. Try this method and forget about expensive chemical cleaners. Crush and sprinkle them around your garden veggies. Whether you're growing tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, or anything else, they're priceless in the garden. Your harvest will be richer and juicier. Eggshells are usually left over after baking or making breakfast. Don't toss them out. Start by cleaning the shells thoroughly. Pour hot water over them to remove any leftover egg white. After the hot water soak, place them on a paper towel and let them dry completely. Eggshells are a natural source of calcium, which supports strong plant growth. They also improve soil structure when mixed into the ground. Once dry, take them out to the garden, crush them in your hands and scatter around your tomatoes or other vegetables. Lightly mix the crushed shells into the top layer of soil. They also serve as a great natural barrier against slugs, so before you throw out your eggshells next time, spread them in the garden instead. It's a simple, free, homemade trick for stronger, healthier plants.